guys, Lego Mystery Show of Legos. Today I'm going to be showing you how to build a horse saddle. So let's get started. So these are the pieces you will need. Now let's get started building. So we're going to take this piece and put it on here. Now, if you had two squares, you could put a Lego friend in. See? But they don't fit. But if you don't want to build the saddle, you can just stick one of these guys in. But I'm going to show you how to build it if you don't have one of these and you want your Lego friend to fit in. So we've got this. And now we're going to take the Lego friend, put them on like this. Let's get them facing. And now you take this rope, two little ends at it, and you put them around them and put it in each of their hands. So it's still like they're riding a horse. There you go. Before we do anything else, take your big glass of water. That is huge compared to them. Take a sip. Thank you for watching my show. Don't forget to check out the other videos. Like, I have Christmas ones, Halloween ones, Thanksgiving ones, and lots more in progress. So, thanks for watching. Subscribe. Bye.